Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and I've just finished doing a Dutch paw, and I'm going to do another one very similar. I'm doing it on the same ovals, which are these MDF ovals that I bought, and I've given them a coat of gesso and sanded them down and covered the backing tape to keep them nice and clean. And then I've just given it a coat of the white paint, and my pouring medium is this PVA Bond. It's the Builder's Bond, which is like PVA glue, but I've used various different types of PVA glue, but I found that the Builder's Bond, PVA Bond, is better so far, for me anyway, because we can't get the Elmer's glue in the UK. We can get it, but it's very expensive when we get it in small quantities, which makes it very expensive. So I do 70% of the PVA Bond with 30% water, and then I've mixed it with my colours, and I mix it with my white and also with my colours, just to give me a nice, quite a runny consistency for the Dutch paw. And my colours are, if you haven't seen the previous video, because they're just the same as the previous video, apart from I'm not using the black cell activator in this one, because I wanted to see how they compare. So this is the Pearl Electric Blue by Arteza, Pearl Papaya Orange by Arteza, Pearl Hot Pink by Arteza, and Pearl Marmalade by Arteza. And then I've got the DecoArt Extreem Sheen, which is Pewter, and Pebeo Oriental Violet. So they're my colours. So I just crack straight on and get them layered. So I'll start off with the electric blue. And I'm just going to drizzle it across the centre. So I do hope you're all keeping well, keeping safe in these very, very, very strange times. Oh dear, it's just difficult, isn't it, for everybody all around the world. So I'm trying to get, because today is the first time I've done any painting for a couple of weeks, and it's been driving me insane. So it is nice to be able to get away from everything that's going on, get in my studio and get some painting done. So there's my Pearl Hot Pink. And then my Pewter by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. My Pearl Marmalade by Arteza. I do love Arteza paints. Oh, I bought today, well, ordered today, some Montmartre paint, the big 2-litre tubs, because they're on Amazon in the UK, and I know at the moment, I don't think you can get orders in the US at the moment from Amazon, unless is it Essentials, is that right? Which is, if you haven't already got your paints in, then you may well be struggling. But I've ordered some Montmartre paint, so I'm excited to try those. They'll be coming, it's Wednesday today, Wednesday evening, and they'll be coming on Friday, hopefully, fingers crossed. So that's all my paints on. So I will be doing a video to show you how I get on, see how I get on with those, because I've not used them before. So I'm using my smallest blow in the world. I love this little machine. I can highly recommend it. It's a USB 2-meter cable, so it's got a nice long cable, plugs into a USB on the wall, I take the little nozzle off. I know I go on about this blower, but I just love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to blow out from the centre-ish. There. And then I'm going to come in with my little turkey baster. I'll put my little pipe in the end. And I'm going to blow out those edges. Actually, I'm going to try first to put my little nozzle back on and blow out the edges with that. Look, it might be a bit strong for the edges, but I'll try it. Well, it's not too bad actually. Oh, it's better than I thought it would be. Oh, that's good. Pleased about that. Because I do like to soften the edges. I think it just changes it. Makes it, in my opinion, makes it a lot prettier. Yeah, I like that. That works well for that. There. Oopsie. So now I'm just going to come in and just, because I didn't want to blow into the centre with that, because I blow a bit too hard and spoil it. So I just want to see what happens when I blow into the centre, really. Give it a quick torch. I'm not keen of this bit, you know. I love all the wispy edges. I love this part, but I'm not keen of this bit here. I think it needs a bit more in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of the purple. Not too much. And some of the electric blue, because I do love this electric blue. I think it's super. And then I'm going to put on the top of that some of this hot pink. And then just blow that out. There, that's better. Oh, get my wire tangled up. That's better, like that. So I've got some of these plaques in oh, hang on. I've got some of these plaques in different sizes, 4 different sizes. So I've got some, these are the smallest ones. These are the ones I've coated with gesso and taped on the back already to do my paws. So that's the next size up. And then there's that one, which is the size down from this. So I'm going to do some sets. So I'll have to have a think of what I'm going to do. I'm going to grade them down, do the similar sort of thing on each one, so I can do the set of 4. So that's that one. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I'll just give that another quick torch actually, because I didn't give it a final torch, did I? Oh, these colours have just look so beautiful. There. So get my gloves off and bring you down for a close-up. Well, I thought I'd finished. Took my gloves off. Was going to bring you down for a close-up, then I've changed my mind. Because this is what I do. Because what I want to do is just put a bit of that white in there. Get one of my little sticks, and I just want to put a bit of white on there and pull it through. That's all I want to do, like that. And a bit more there. Because I just suddenly realised, as I was looking at it, I thought I want some more white on it. I haven't left enough white. So you can always put white back in. Like that. And I think that makes it look really rather pretty. And put some in just here. It makes a huge difference. Just little details can make a huge difference. You can do whatever you want on your own painting, because it's your art, so you decide how you want to do it. And I think that looks really rather lovely. A little bit in here. Now, do I want any more? You don't have to add paint. I mean, you can just drag it in a little bit like that if you want to, or do whatever you want. I always wipe my stick in between when I go through the colour like that. Just gives it a little bit more shape, I think. And you can also do it the other way. So where I've dragged that down like that, I'm going to drag that colour out a little bit, like that. Just adds a bit more detail. And I might take that bit of white through there. And then pull that one out there. Yeah, I think that looks nice. I love that. I'm wondering whether to put a bit of white on there, and I am. Oh, when to stop, when to stop. Are you shouting? Stop, Tilly, stop. Stop, stop. I like fluffing. We all do, don't we? We all fluff. Yeah, I like that better. I think that looks really rather lovely. But one little thing I don't like, it seems to be over there like that. To me, it just needs to come down this way a little bit. So I'm going to get my little turkey baster again and just blow it. Doesn't need a lot. Tiny details just make a big difference, eh? I just want to take that bit off the edge. There. Nearly. And we're done. And I like that a lot. So now I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. So here's the close-up. I'll turn my overhead light off so you hopefully can see a little bit better. Beautiful how the colours have mixed. It just looks so, so pretty. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. So I've got a shadow on there again. I've always got the shadow on there. Look how those colours have mixed, don't they? Look absolutely beautiful. So drop me a comment underneath, because it all helps us little YouTubers. If you comment and subscribe and share my video, I'd be really grateful. Thank you to all my lovely new subscribers, to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate every single one of you. So, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.